Evening, everybody. This is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Tuesday, August 2nd. Here we have our general disclaimer page. Please give this a read. When you've done so, let's move on. Here we have our Tick US model. It was very constructive last week. That structure continued into today. We did see a little bit of sideways consolidation action. One thing to look into tomorrow and rest of the week is if the cumulative tick rolls over and maintains this short-term moving average ribbon. If it rolls over, typically a spot we like to take profits. However, it hasn't done so now. So again, we just need to observe this in the coming days. To round this out, we had new lows outpacing new highs by a little bit. We saw a little bit of selling via the filter tick. And lastly, the long-term moving average ribbon continues to uninvert. So still constructive here. Take ARCX model. All four of our signals are still triggered. Very constructive structure here still. So not a lot to say here. Things are looking fine on this front. Here we have our SPY PPI dashboard from this morning. Coming into the session, forward 10 was our line in the sand. We did see a shift up in plus KEX from Friday. Target on the upside right now is 415, then 420. If we do get 420, again, like we were talking about last week, we want to see this plus KEX continue to shift higher and higher. On the downside, we have a bit of transition area between 410 and 400. Downside, first target is 400. Second target would be negative YX at 370. But again, line in the sand right now is 410. Here we have the hourly price chart of SPY with those gamma levels we just talked about overlaid. Again, you can see here a lot of chop at the 410 area below 410, looking towards 400, then below to 370, above 410, still constructive up to 420. Here we have the SPY intraday chart. Just looking at the tick real quick. This is just a faster time frame tick, a lot of indecisive choppiness here. This corresponded with price, which also chopped right on that 410 line in the sand. So again, kind of have a range padded out for the week. Above, looking towards 420, below, looking down towards 400. Here we have the daily chart. This is just a zoomed out picture we've been looking at for the last 2 or 3 weeks. 385 was our line in the sand down here. We saw a nice rally up to our target of 410. Here, looks like we may get a little consolidation, congestion from the recent move up. So this is pretty constructive for the bulls. Again, just want to see how price interacts up here. Bonus for you guys. So one of our liquidity stocks, NVIDIA, wanted to hit on this real quick. You can see cumulative positive gamma is greatly above cumulative negative gamma. This is positive. Lastly, structure here. 0 GEX at 175, plus GEX at 200. Decent risk to reward last year. It looks like price is respecting kind of this transition area right here. So again, potential trade idea for y'all. Hope you all enjoyed that short and sweet tonight. Here we have our website down here. If you're interested in learning more about us, see our full suite of tools. We have a 2 free week trial going on right now. We'd love to have you. Show you around, ask questions, go more in depth on what we talked about here on a nightly basis. So yep, website here, Twitter here. So good luck to y'all tomorrow, and I will be talking to you.